me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
We are about to, well, we in New York right now, about to go to Miami. Why we went from Norfolk to
LaGuardia.
New York to go to Miami, I don't know. I never had no layover to go to Miami. It was always a straight flight. But I just wanted to check in with y'all, let y'all know this is the start of a new vlog, a travel vlog again. But it's kind of late, so please forgive me. I got a lot of footage in this camera that I need to post, but I'm gonna start next week. So it is. I'm out here in Miami. How you feel, Jay?
Feel good.
Feel good?
I'm ready to get dropped.
Oh my goodness.
Good activities.
Hey Keyshawn.
Feels good.
How you feeling today?
Feeling good. Excited.
Good, yeah.
Excited for sure.
It's hot already. We just got our bag. Now we're about to call an Uber so we can go to our destination. It's 11:30 a.m. We've been traveling since 5 this morning. So yeah. I'm tired. I slept on both my flights. They were so cold. But oh, this is my airport outfit. Essential hoodie. These sweats that I just got from Target yesterday. And my New Balance. I love them. They so comfortable.
Where y'all coming from?
Virginia. That right, baby mom.
It's for something I want.
I see what y'all want.
What?
Shout out to our Uber Victor. He got us right. So we're not going to we in Miami. We're not going to Miami, as you could tell. We about to get on a cruise and we going to the Bahamas. I had to tell you that we was going to Miami just because I knew we was we had to come to Miami, but yeah.
We're going to the Bahamas?
We going to the Bahamas.
Baby.
Yeah! It was a surprise. Thank you.
Make me sweat, make me holler, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me holler, make me lose my breath, make me water. Normally, could keep my cool, but tonight I'm whining. I'ma be in a dangerous mood. Can you match my timing? Telling me that you're really about it. What you're hiding? Talk is cheap, so show me that you understand.
This is Guy's Burger that everybody be saying is good when you come on a cruise. The fries are good. I'm about to try the burger. I got a double cheeseburger with bacon. Oh my god, it looks crazy. I put ketchup on it. And I put ketchup on it. Dang. Lord. Burger. But it's very good. We made it to our room. This is the door. I'm guessing it's the bathroom. This is the bathroom. This must be a closet. Yep. Closet. Another closet. Some drawers. Here's a couch and a table. Here's our bed. Cause it's my mom and we can share a king bed instead of two twin. We're on the second floor of the boat. I am extremely tired. My eyes are so heavy. I can't even explain it honestly. But I'm excited for this trip. A very quick, relaxing vacation to celebrate my brother. Well, relaxing for me, but I'm sure he's gonna turn up. I am so tired. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do anything today. Well, it's still early. Yeah. It's still early, so I got time to go to sleep, wake up, and do something and eat again. That food was so good. I'm full. It's time for me to go to sleep. So this is night one outfit, two-piece from Fashion Nova. Some sandals. I don't even remember where I got them from. I made my hair look better than it did. Here go my mom outfits.
What's this? Tarjay special.
We about to go eat dinner and then my brother wants to go to the club. So that's what we doing. I don't have no service, so it's 7:57. Shout out 757. Shout out to us. But I'm gonna try to take my camera with me so I can get some footage, cause him and his best friend drunk already. They like Boosie, me and Scoob. So we about to go get something to eat and then probably walk around the boat, find stuff to do, get some drinks, vibe out, stuff like that. So I'll check back in with y'all once we get to dinner.
Hey girl, what this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Girl, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Who you around with? I know game. Anytime you're ready, girl. Let me hear the bass make me fly. In the rain, I make you feel high like on a plane. She say I saw the love, the act. Taste like sweet and I touch this fat. Dancing, she love to that. Girl, go to the track. Come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue.
My mom didn't want some money, y'all. $82.50, and she put, how much you put in? $40. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, half of the heavyweight champ. Me. We got pizza. This pizza good too. All the food up here been good. Hot. I know you're hot.
Yeah, it just came out.
Hey y'all, it's day 2. We ain't got the light on, but
Day 2. You want me to cut the light on? You sure?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I can still see. I don't know where the shirt from. It was a dress, but I made it a shirt. Shorts, H&M, same sandals, same purse. My mama, we chilling today.
Tarjay.
Target again.
Tory Burch.
Go to Nassau tomorrow, which is Sunday. Today we are at sea today, so we're gonna have some more fun. As you saw last night, we went to the club and we went to go get pizza after that. Then we came back and went to sleep. Had a good time yesterday, and we're gonna do it all over again.
All over again. Yeah.
And now we about to go to brunch. We made a reservation. We got 10 minutes to get there, so.
French toast.
Oh, yeah, I did get French toast also.
Come on. Taste.
It's Cat in the Hat.
Think about it. It's not too much, baby. Just what I want, baby.
I don't want that bad. So I came back to the room because I'm about to take me a little nappy nap. It was so fun on the day. It was 2 different DJs that came out there, and they was playing some good music. So we had a time. We had some drinks, some food. It was just a vibe. I would say this is a cruise that you could do with your family or your friends, or even like your significant other. I feel like overall it's a good cruise. I would highly recommend. This is my first time on a cruise. It's my mom's first time on a cruise, my brother, his best friend, my dad, and my stepmom been on cruises like 6 times already, but this is my first time. I'm really enjoying it. It's a lot to do. The food is good. The comedy show was good. The club was lit. They was playing like up-to-date music, and it was like, you know, for my kinfolk. It was just so fun. Like, I really highly recommend a cruise. I want to do it again, but I want to go somewhere else. I know we're gonna have fun in the Bahamas tomorrow, but I want to go to like the islands like Barbados and St. Martin, all that stuff like that. Like, I want to do another one, so I'm gonna see if my best friend want to do that, because I think that would be so fun. My edges gone. It was so hot. I think it's like 83 degrees today. It's raining like on and off, but it literally rains for 2 minutes and stop. Maybe not even 2 minutes, but yeah. I'm about to take a nap, and then I'll get back on the camera. Again, I highly recommend. And we're on a Carnival Conquest, which isn't the biggest boat, but it's a lot of stuff on this boat. Like, y'all saw the casino. They got buffet. They got several different restaurants. It's bars. Like, it's very, very, very good. The only thing I will say is a couple of times it's been a little rocky. Not even gonna lie, but outside of that, like, we good. Like, it's 10 out of 10. Recommend. All right, this is the nighttime outfit. This is a jumpsuit. I forgot. Oh, I got this from Amazon. It's in my storefront. Steve Madden sandals. I put this jacket on because I feel like it might be a little chilly on the boat. And I'm gonna put my bag back on so I can bring y'all. My mom got on a black dress. And what shoes you putting on?
Macy's.
Oh, you putting heels on.
I got this black dress from Macy's. I thought I liked the belt when I bought it, but I don't like the belt. And I am wearing Jimmy shoes.
So yeah, we about to go eat dinner. I was asleep from like 3 to almost 6 o'clock. It was like 5 something when I woke up, but I feel good. I'm ready to eat, drink, and have fun.
Come rock off your back, rock off your back, Broke off your back, girl. Girl, your body hotter than a suntan. You make me turn up at attention. You pretty like the melodies in the song. Plus the cookie know your body, you make your body strong. Girl, any problem you got now with a fix it. And when you dance to me, song it on a big beat. Up like a drum on a beat, it's your time.
I'm a magician, okay? So let's do some magic here, okay? So this is the idea.
Okay.
Can you take these cards and spread it like that? Yeah. And show to her. Take out any one card you like, whichever you like. Show to the camera.
Okay.
Yeah? Keep it back. I'm showing it to you again, right?
Uh-huh.
Somewhere in the middle again, I have no idea. He's gonna find it. Do you know the card by the way? No? Just touch one. Which one? This one? Just tell me yes or no if this is a card, okay? Is this a card? No? Let's see this. Can you just hold it? Keep it like that, okay? What is the card? Can you tell me? Ace? Can you snap it, sir?
Snap.
it. You did it. Turn over. Show to them.
Oh, wow.
Nah, that's crazy.
Let me see, hold it up. That's crazy. That was good.
I found the key again, but this is a king of club. What is this card? King, right? Can you hold it? Yeah. Okay, like just like that. Like that. So you're comfortable. Right? Can you show me them is a king?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? Okay, do it again. So now you cannot see it. We cannot see it now, okay? So this is the idea. We cannot see it. What is it? Is it the queen?
Uh-huh.
Can you tell me, without looking, where is the queen and where is the king?
The queen is on top and the king is on bottom.
Okay, I'll try to confuse you. What do you think? Where is the king now?
It's the same order. Same order.
King on top.
King on top, queen on the bottom.
Okay, you are right. Okay, but this is what I'm going to say. I will try to confuse you. Okay, I will try to confuse you. If I do like that, don't leave it. Okay. So if I do like that, what do you think? Where is the king and where is the king?
The queen is on top and the queen is on the bottom.
Do you know what? Tell me a number between 1 and 10. 5. 5? Perfect. Can you tell me a number between 1 and 5? Very small. Okay, 4? Perfect. And you tell me a number between 1 and 10.
1.
Huh?
1.
1? You tell me a number between 1 and 10. 2. I'm not going to ask you guys, okay?
Okay.
You guys are cameraman. 2. Okay. What was the first number you said? 5. What is the number you said now? 2. So they are the last. He's the last one, he's the first one.
Uh-huh.
What is 5 plus 2?
7.
7? Where is the king? Where is the queen?
On the bottom.
Use a 7? Turn over. So
No. Oh! That's crazy. Let me see that. What? Wow.
That's different. That's more different.
Good job.
Let's do one thing at this time, okay? Only use this one, okay? This is very cool. So since this is not my ring, I cannot control this. That's the reason it just jumps.
What?
Like that. Okay, look at this. It looks like it's inside my finger. Yeah?
Uh-huh.
But it's merely an illusion.
What?
It's merely an illusion. Let's try this one more time, okay? You see this here? Yeah? It's just an illusion. Look at this. Right? It's so quick.
Oh, wow.
It was for you. Ready?
Okay. Have your attention, please.
Everybody.
Can we sing happy birthday? Yes, man. 1, 2, and 3.
can count on you. I need somebody who will stand by me through the good times and
So many people singing for love.
Roll your hips and keep your balance. What are you doing standing still?
Good morning. It's the third day, Sunday. Eating breakfast. We're about to get off the boat. Oh, these eggs are actually good.
I know, right? They throw you up because they don't look like they were.
Yeah. When I looked at them, I was like, oh no. The food really been hitting. That's the crazy part. I ain't think the food was gonna be hitting like this.
Yeah, I know. I really ain't had nothing yet that won't be good.
Right. But we're gonna try to get on the jet skis or something. And I'll check back in once we get off the boat so y'all can see the Bahamas. We in the Bahamas. The water is blue. It is. That's Atlantis. Is that like what was in the movie? Yeah. For real. I used to like that movie.
What was that, Atlanta?
No, Atlantis. It was a movie called Atlantis. Y'all do y'all remember that Disney movie? I think it was like a cartoon, an animated movie called Atlantis.
We're in the Bahamas, enjoying life. Might go jet ski or ATV ride. So if you see me pop a wheelie like I'm me, mind your business. You get one for like $5.
Drive on the opposite side.
Mama, put your seatbelt on.
What's your name?
Cousin Joe.
Cousin Joe.
Cuz, what up, cuz?
That's my cousin Joe.
Yeah, I might need to put my
Cousin Joe.
Cousin Joe lit.
You recording, mama?
Yeah.
All right. Now, for y'all who looking at this video, you ain't even supposed to be worrying what's gonna be going on afterwards, cause you're supposed to be here.
Exactly.
You miss it, you diss it.
Oh,
I'll
okay.
show y'all what's going on. Right? My name is Tino, okay? So from y'all watching this, come back and ask for me, man. I'ma please you, not tease you.
That's
y'all
right.
follow me,
I know that's right.
Y'all know what's going on down here.
Look how he walking.
What's up, OG? Do the chair thing one more time. Oh, I'm the chairman, not the chairman, but the chairman. You get relaxed, all right? And if you need a beach umbrella like the boss lady, I don't want the two boss lady to get burnt like me. I'm done. Put it, I go. I tell you can find your wife. I tell you can find your wife.
Cause I walk around with a band coming, shoot them down,
Hey, Tino.
This what's up. Nah, this.
Everybody else.
I took me a nap at the beach. That nap, I took a nap. It was
Hey,
so
they pop
good.
off, they pop off.
At the beach. I was knocked out. It was very relaxing.
It was.
No.
So anybody get high blood pressure, diabetes?
You gonna get the jerk quesadilla?
You keep this is
I'll try her.
Lemon drop
I
shot.
would go back if we had time.
I don't believe you said that, Dion.
Alright. You want
Yeah. I need a thanks.
You want some sauce?
we get that? What you get?
Hey, you better grab it.
Yeah, I'd rather.
I got the
You got a meal.
Hey, one more. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what I was about to ask for too.
They got a meal.
How was everybody food?
A 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
What?
10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
The brew.
Spicy. What's up?
Spicy 7 out of 10.
The soda, 10 out of 10.
Good, homie.
What's good, my man?
Oh, it is? Well,
All right.
so, welcome to Tasty Teas, where our teas are tasty and good for you. Where you going from? Come here. My name is Michael, and it'll be my pleasure to be your presenter. That's right, man. So, in the Bahamas, we believe in taking teas as our medicine. It's part of our culture. So, sour salt. Very good for fighting cancer, high cholesterol, high blood pressure,
You need that
cramping,
then.
bloating, diarrhea, insomnia, nervousness, promotes heart health, boosts the immune system, fights against anxiety, fights against depression, and lets you sleep in it.
Fibroids and all of that, right?
We call it the cure.
Okay.
If you have an ailment, high chance you'll fix it. But this is also the tea that started our entire business, and the tea that saved our founder's life 21 years ago when she was diagnosed with stage 4 breast cancer with only 3 months to live. But not to worry, she's alive to this day, celebrating her 74th birthday this year, cancer free.
Okay.
How you doing, Miss Forbes?
Oh, she right there.
That's
Hey,
right.
Miss Forbes.
That's right.
Oh, wow.
True story. 74 years young, careful now.
How you doing, Mr.
She might carry you home. Now we have the fever grass, also known as lemongrass. Good for colds, flu, sinuses, allergies, headaches, migraines, asthma, COVID, and hangovers.
Okay.
Found only in the Bahamas. Just like us. You good for memory, focus, back strength, nerve function, and if you know anyone's struggling with back issues or injuries or damaged nerves or ADHD, this will help. And that's it about doing. Without further ado, let's get some samples. We have the sweet Margaret, the sour salt, the lemongrass, and the moringa with a little bit of ginger.
We are going to be doing 6 mixed fruit samples, 3 fruity and 3 creamy ones.
Okay.
And these are just some flavor combinations that you'll find all over the island with our native rums, the Ricardos. So this is a sour apple lemonade with some white rum. That one there is the cream flamingo. It's a watermelon version of Conchita, and we use the white Ricardo. Guava, mango, pineapple, a little bit of alcohol, and it's just. We drinking?
You drinking?
I'm drinking one. I feel like I tasted that before. So this right here is the sky juice. It's one of the drinks that you find all over the island, in every island. So it's also known as gully wash, but this is just gin and coconut water, sweetened condensed milk, cinnamon, and nutmeg, along with some coconut chunks to the bottom.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Now these two are pieces of the sky juice. Who you calling mom? That's my mom.
Yeah, this mama right here.
Come on, mama. Let's go. Let's go. Let these drink what you want to hear. That's good. They all good.
They all good.
Woo!
I want to wait. I bought these down so they start melting. Here you go, guys.
Okay, thank you.
This is mangoes, strawberries. Pina colada.
Oh, that got a little eggnoggy taste.
It does.
Now the last one.
Oh, I forgot we had another one. She like coffee. Yeah, that's good.
If you like coffee, that joint is fire.
You like coffee?
Yeah, she like coffee.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes.
I'm going to tell you the history of this. You want to know the history of it? I got you. Welcome to the High Point of Restaurant. Can you take a picture of me?
Can I take a picture of you? It's a video.
Take it down. Everybody's a big chair. Everybody's
Okay, y'all, so now we are back at the room and we are pulling off from the dock. We backing up to go to the other boat that was there, but we are backing up. So we're leaving, heading back to Miami to go home tomorrow. But last surprise, my brother does not know. We got shirts made for his birthday. You know how a lot of families up here, you know, have that. But my friend Keith actually made these shirts. His brand is called Perfect Label. Follow him on Instagram. Tell him I sent you. But I'm about to unbox the shirt so we can put them on. And then we're gonna get my brother's reaction to the shirts. Comes with the thank you card. It has all his social media platforms. Very cute. That's his logo. Very nice. Some wrapping paper. Say happy 25th birthday, Jay, and they have his picture on it. Really cute. His favorite colors, red, black, and white. But these are the shirts, and we about to put them on and show y'all what they look like.
Turn the lights off.
Turn the lights off. Turn the TV. Y'all childish. Turn the light off. Surprise!
Just keep on surprising.
Surprise!
Upset.
What are you doing?
We was talking to some young ladies.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God. He's supposed to be down here with you.
I didn't know.
He know though. But yeah, surprise.
Surprise.
You like our shirt?
Group hug.
This one. That I give you. Hey, hey, hey.
We got the swag, that's a Christmas swag too.
Another competition.
Baby, can you focus?